Hello, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to solve a 2x2. Now the reason I'm making this video is because I was doing a tutorial for the Pyrostar. Here's the Pyrostar. Just so you know, that tutorial will be out very soon. And I told you in the Pyrostar video that you need to know how to solve a 2x2. So I don't think it's very smart of me to put a tutorial for the Pyrostar and not show you how to do it on the 2x2. So anyway, I'm making the 2x2 tutorial now so that you'll understand what to do when you do the Pyrostar tutorial, or if you just want to know how to solve a 2x2 and you don't know how to. So anyway, this is the easiest of the cubic puzzles, obviously, because it only has 8 pieces. It would be nice if you know the notation for standard Rubik's Cube, such as R, L, U, F, you know, that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's go ahead and scramble this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start solving it. Now this is a very basic method, but it works. So if you want something faster, this probably isn't the tutorial for you. This is just a quick, easy way to solve the 2x2. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to get an entire first layer solved. So what you're going to do is you're going to get these 4 white pieces here, and you're going to get them all in one layer. So pick some that are already kind of on one layer. Like I'll just start with, let's just start with these two. They're already in the already on that layer. So all you do to get a piece from here down here, well, first of all, you can do it 2 different ways. The first way is you can have it facing upwards on the up layer. So the one you're trying to solve is on the bottom. This one's facing upwards, and you match it up with its opposite. So here we go. We have blue opposite green, and then all you do is rotate it twice, and it puts it in the correct spot. Now that doesn't really work. Like for example, let me just set up a situation here. This doesn't really work if I'm doing it like this. So if I want to solve this red, technically I could rotate it around and match it there, but when I do that, I'll mess up the piece I already solved. So you know, you can do it like this, but it's not always the best way to do it. So for example, here's another case. So I have green here and blue here is opposite. This white is going to come down here like that. Now the other way that you can do it, besides doing the double rotate, is if you have a piece in the top that has it off to the side. And all you do for this is really simple algorithm. If it's off to the right, all you do is this move. You go R, U, R prime. And there you go, it's in the right spot. Now if it's on the left, sorry, it's on the left, you do the same algorithm but backwards. So you're going to do L prime, U prime, L. So basically all you do, if you're more of a visual person, all you do is you push this corner. Well, first of all, you keep the base color off to the side, you push it backwards, and then you pull this white over to match up with that white right there, and then you pull it down. And if you don't like the whole, like where I told you where you have it on the top, rotate it double time to the bottom, you could do that method with every single corner. So let me just show you a quick example of how to get across real fast, and we'll move on. So again, this one needs to go here because the red matches up with the red here. I have it off to the side, and I go away, bring this one paired up right there, and then put it down. That one's kind of already solved. And now if there's only one left and the one is facing up, you can't just rotate it. Like, it doesn't work because you'll mess up the other one. So in this case, what you have to do, instead of doing R, U, R prime, you have to do this. You have to do R, U2, R prime, and then put it and solve it like normal. So I'll put it back, match it up right there, and put it down. Again, this is just a quick tutorial. I'm not trying to take too much time on this. Anyway, the next step from this is you have to orient the top layer. And orienting the top layer basically means that you need to get yellow facing upwards on all these. So for example, these two currently have yellow, these two do not. They have red on the top. You want this yellow and this yellow on the top. And all you need to do is a really simple algorithm. It's called Soon, and this is basically the algorithm. It's R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now there are different cases in which you do this. If you have one on the top, you're gonna hold it. You're gonna hold that one yellow in the bottom left corner, and you're gonna do Soon, and you're gonna do it twice depending on what way it's facing. There you go, and it'll fully orient the top for you. Another way that you could do it is if you have none. If you don't have any on the top layer, then hold it like this. So you have two going off to the side, one facing front, one facing back. Do Soon, and that will get you the one on the top, and then you just do Soon like normal from this point. The other way you could have it is, instead of having two off to the side, they're actually on top. So again, you still have the facing you, that one facing away, but in this case these two are on top. You're going to rotate it towards like this and do Soon, and there you go. That'll get you the top one also. This is another one. If you have two that are on top but they're diagonal from each other, you're going to put one facing you in the bottom left and the other one facing off to the side in the top right, and you're going to do Soon, and then it'll lead you to having that one on the top. This is another case you can have. It's where you have none on the top and you have two pointing off to the side on both ends. All you have to do is do Soon once, and it'll get you Soon again. And then you can just go ahead and do Soon again, and it'll orient the top layer for you. And this is the last case. It's where you have two on the top and you have two facing you, kind of like headlights looking right at you, bright yellow. You're going to hold them looking right at you, and you're going to do Soon, and that's going to lead you to having one. So again, a lot of these lead to other ones, and all you do is you do Soon enough times. If you forget which way to turn the face, just do Soon enough times. Eventually you'll get to the point where you have one on the top. Just put that one in the bottom left, and then do it once or twice depending on whether it's faced one way or the other, and you'll get the entire flush on the top. Now once you get this point, you're going to do this move. You're going to find two that are matched up with each other. So these, for example, you're going to put them in the right spot, and then you're just going to flip these other two. And here's the algorithm for flipping the other two. It's R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. And I will put all the algorithms in the sidebar over there. Let me just show you that one more time. So again, you have two that are paired up. It's matched up, and the two that are not are on the right. And the algorithm is R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. Now you could get a situation that's like this, where you don't have any pairs. You actually have diagonals. So like this one's solved here, and that one across from it is also solved. All you have to do in this situation is do the same algorithm. It doesn't really matter which way you hold it. It's the one you use to switch these two. So R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, U, or R prime, sorry, R at the end. And then what will happen is once you do that once, it'll get you the pair. Then you just align the pair and flip these last two. And there you go. That's how you solve the 2x2. So if you were watching the Pyrostar tutorial and you didn't know how to solve the 2x2 with the method that I was using, now you do. This is how you do it. Also, if you are watching this video before the Pyrostar video comes out, just know that the Pyrostar video will be out very, very, very soon. Almost immediately after this video uploads, the Pyrostar tutorial should be out. So be on the lookout for that. If you want to be updated on when my new videos come out, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, please go to my channel and look at some of my other stuff. I have a bunch of cubing stuff, so I'm sure you'll find something that you like. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys next time.